Please welcome your host.
Alright, so isang magandang tanghali po at hapon sa ating lahat. Once again, good afternoon everyone! Hello po sa ating mga beloved guests who are here for this afternoon. Ito po sila. Hello po, welcome po sa ating mga bisita. Pwede po tayo maupo over here. Most especially po sa ating mga newcomers. Halina po kayo dito. We can take your seats. Marami po tayong bakating upuan somewhere so we can find ourselves more comfortable po sa ating mga upuan somewhere, okay? And of course, muli, welcome po sa lahat. At bago natin tuloy yung umpisa ng ating programa po, sa habang ito ay nais ko lamang po sanang makamusta ang lagay ng ating mga bisita. And I also want to check your vibe and your energy. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, maaari po ba ako makinig po muna mula po sa inyong lahat ng isang malakas na palakpakan na may kasamang sigawan dyan! No, diba? Ganyan po dapat ang vibe natin ngayong hapon at ganyan dapat tayo kasaya because of course, this day is a time to celebrate, rejoice, and be united all together because of course, we are gathered here to celebrate and also to witness a very special milestone and a very spectacular event for our debutant ngayong hapon ito. Muli po, isang mapagpalang araw and good afternoon once again to each and every one of our guests and welcome aboard here at the Casa Real Private Resort dito po sa Pulilan, Bulacan. And tulad nga ng sabi ko kanina lang, once again, we are all gathered here to witness and also to celebrate this time the 18th birthday of our gorgeous debutant night or this afternoon na si Shaira. Ayan, excited na po ba kayong makita si Shaira? Palakpakan naman po muna ang mga gusto na siyang sila at makita right now. And of course, syempre naman tulad nga ng sabi ko earlier, hindi po tayo basta-basta makakapagsimula ng ating program kung wala pa po dito, of course, ang ating debutant. And bago nga tayo tumungo sa inaantabayan nga natin nga exciting part na yun ngayong hapon. And syempre naman, I would just like to utilize this moment lamang po upang gamitin ang chance na ito just to, of course, acknowledge and honor the presence of the immediate family of Shaira. So, okay lang po ba? Papakilala ko lang po sila sa inyo. And I'll be calling them by family and at the same time, kung okay lang po, ano, favor lang, palakpakan naman natin sila as they enter our venue. Sila ilarangka lang po para ma-acknowledge po natin sila at the same time. Okay? And once again, ready na po tayong lahat to welcome them on stage. At kung handang-handa na tayo, syempre naman, di ko na makakabahin po. But first and foremost, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome on stage the younger sister of Shaira. Palakpakan naman natin, Sophia Parunga! Hey! Once again, Sophia Parunga! Alam ka na, girl? Raise your hand. Yeah! Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi nagpapatari eh. And of course, syempre naman, alongside with her younger sister, it's about time that I'd like to introduce and acknowledge the presence of the loving parents of Shaira. So let's give it up to Daddy, Fernando, and Mariolena Parunga! Once again, let's give it up to the Parunga family! Mommy Mariolena and bunso na si Sophia. Ay, palakpakan naman po natin sila. And of course, I think we're all set. At kung naipakilala ko na ang immediate family ng ating debutant, I believe it's about time that we are now going to proceed about with the main events, the main highlight of our program. And bago yan, before anything else, may I request lang po each and every one of our guests to please rise. Magsipag tayo na po tayong lahat. Because I believe that it is about time that we are now going to welcome on stage our debutant ngayong hapon. But before we proceed to that main program, hinihiling ko lang po sana small favor lang sa lahat na once I call her name on stage, na may salubungan naman natin siya ng isang malakas at masigabong palakpakan to cheer up and bilang pagsalubog sa kanya once she walks here our aisle. Okay? Pero bago yan, may tanong muna po ako sa ating lahat. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all guys ready? Teka. Parang matamlay. Teka lang. Hindi natin papapasukin si Shaira kung ganyan tayo katamlay. Energy tayo. Ibigay na natin ng energy natin. Ang buo nating lakas para kay Shaira. Parang hindi tayo nalolobat mga ganyan. Di ba? Para po, deserve naman ni Shaira na atin na siyang i-welcome ng syempre naman lively. Di ba? So once again, are you all guys ready? Much better. Okay, so I think we're all set. So that is why harap na po tayo sa main entrance. At alam ko natatanong nyo na siya from there. So that is why, once again, versus everyone, get ready. Because, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let us all witness the grand entrance of our one and only beautiful, gorgeous, and our fabulous Seven of the Night. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us welcome on stage, Mitch Shira! Once again, a round of applause for our Devin this afternoon, Shira! Okay, palakpakan na natin muli si Shira, everybody. And of course, please remain standing, manatili lamang po tayo nakatayo. Dahil gusto ko sana, dear audience, ngayon agad, buhay naman nauna, nais ko po sanang bibilang lang ako tatlo. Sabay-sabay natin agad-agad na patiin si Shira. So I'll be counting 1, 2, 3, and afterwards, we will just shout, Happy Birthday, Shira. Okay, samahan niyo po ako, audience. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go, and 3, 2, 1, everybody say, there you go. Maraming salamat po. And of course, one more time, please remain standing as we are about to formally begin our program with our opening prayer to be led by Pastora Shella.
Sa team po ng Sangria, especially po kay Ma'am Riza din po na siyang unang pinok ko. Ayun po, sobrang grateful po ngayon and I feel so blessed po. Maraming salamat po sa time nyo, nagstay hanggang sa tapos.